quite recently there has been a huge influx of make $1,000 a day or make $1,000 a minute, but in actual fact it hasn't been quite recent. These have been going on for so long. So I thought, rather than bullshit you and tell you how you can earn $1,742 in 37 seconds whilst sleeping, rather I want to tell you how these people come up with these crazy, ludicrous ideas, convincing you of this lie using black hat tactics that only make them money, not you. You see, when these YouTubers make these videos, they get paid in AdSense, which is those little ads that people put at the beginning, maybe the middle, and at the end of their videos. Let's take this video, for example. Make $500 a day by typing names. This got 2.6 million views. That's around $20,000 in AdSense for that creator. Now, I'm not calling anyone out in this video. That's not what this video is about. Okay, these make money in 10 minutes, in an hour, in a day videos are all over the place. And this video is more about bringing awareness about the reality behind these videos rather than calling out individuals who are doing it. So this video made this particular YouTuber maybe around $20,000, but did you make $500 typing names? I don't think so. So how do they do it? Well, they start with the hook. How much should we say can be made in a day? Let's say $750. So our hook is going to be something like how you can make $750 in one day whilst doing absolutely nothing. That sounds like a pretty good hook, doesn't it? That will get people interested to continue watching to find out how they can make $750 in a day. First, we have to make that fake thumbnail that shows a huge amount of money that will get tons of people to click the video. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make that. If they don't have Photoshop, you can do it on so many platforms, but either way, I'm going to show you. So let's start with a simple picture. We need a picture of me being like, oh, crazy, right? Bam, here's the picture. Right, our picture's done. The next thing we need to do is import a crazy PayPal screenshot that really gets everyone just to be like, what? I need to click. So let's open this up, and this is just a screenshot of a PayPal balance, right? What we need to do is we need to make it stand out. £18,542. That should do it. Right, we need to match up these fonts. Okay, so the font I've gone with is Source Sans Variable. I could go for the exact PayPal font, but I don't care, I'm not doing this, so just for the video. Right, now we need to remove this. So this is super easy to do, right? Can't believe I'm actually making a video on this. Right. And there you have it. That is basically how you would fake a PayPal balance. This is something you should never, ever do. It's completely illegal, unethical, wrong on so many levels. But unfortunately, there are so many videos of people claiming you can make stupid amounts of money by doing absolutely nothing. And this is how it's done. Okay, thumbnail is now done. We now need to think of some bullshit idea that people will believe. Typing jobs on Upwork. There you go. I just want to say typing on Upwork isn't the BS part. The BS part is people telling you you can earn $1,000 a day by doing absolutely nothing, and then them showing you some random typing job, or watch this video, or fill in this survey. So that's what I'm getting at. Actually typing on Upwork is a pretty good side hustle, and I would recommend it, but it's not easy. But first, when they start this video, they need to kind of start with a hook, and then they need to put maybe 5 minutes of fluff in just to fill up this video, and I'll explain to you why they're doing this in a minute. But they need to put in little snippets, maybe some more examples or proof or whatever, but the most important part is they need to start with that particular hook. So let's record this video so you can kind of see what it could potentially look like. These people have earned hundreds of thousands of dollars online by doing absolutely nothing. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that too. Right, that was the hook. Now that they've done that, they need to kind of put this filler in that I said. And the reason they want to put this filler in is so that the video can go on for maybe 10 minutes, maybe even 12 minutes. And that way they can slap an ad right in the middle, maybe even more than one ad. But don't worry, that wasn't a real ad. That's not what I'm doing in this video. This video, I'm just bringing you awareness to what is going on in this industry. So that's kind of how it will work. And then after this fluff piece that I'll put at the beginning, they'll actually get down to the meat on how to make, well, we said $750 in a day. It's time to show you this idea. So let's head over to the computer so I can show you a screen recording exactly how you can make so much money. We need to make this idea look as good as possible so that when people watch the video, they're thinking, oh my gosh, this is the next huge thing. This is the .com boom. So we really need to make this look really good. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go to Upwork and we're gonna search for audio typing, okay? We're gonna see audio typing and I'm gonna show you what it really looks like, and then I'm gonna show you what it will look like when we kind of cut things out a bit. So this is what it looks like, right? We've got tons of people, $4.40 an hour, $4 an hour, $8 an hour, $20 an hour. Now that's not gonna look very good on our video, is it? So what we're gonna do is we're going to sort, right? We're gonna filter by hourly rate, and it has to be $60 or above. Okay, now as well as that, this person earning 20K, that doesn't look very cool, right? We need it to look amazing. So we're now gonna sort by earned amount, and it's got to be 10K plus, okay? Now we've got things like 100K and 100K and 30K. Now we're talking. Now we need to make sure that we move the filters. So we need to zoom in so that the filters aren't showing, because obviously we don't want people seeing we filtered it by $60 and above and filtered it by 10K plus earned. We want it to look like this naturally. So let's give it a go. I'm now going to go back into recording this fake video mode, and I'll show you what it could look like. Okay guys, this is absolutely mad. This person is earning $75 per hour and they've earned $100,000. And this can happen all over the world. They're in the United States, Netherlands, anywhere. It literally can happen anywhere. And this person, $66 an hour. They've earned $30,000. That's crazy. Okay, and then this person, $70 an hour, has earned $20,000. And this person up here, right, has also earned $100,000, charging $70 or $75 an hour. This is crazy. And this person in Kuwait, I hope I'm saying that right, has earned or is earning $480 per hour. That is ludicrous. That is a serious amount of money. So how can you do this? Well, this is where you have to be super vague, because you know deep down that these people you're showing in the video have actually spent hours and hours perfecting their craft, spending even longer getting jobs, making money, so much dedication, way longer than 9 to 5, literally putting in so much hours, so much hustle to make this money. And you know this, but obviously you can't say this in the video, because then the video loses all validity, right? Because you've told them they can make however many thousands in a day or in an hour or in a minute. So you can't then say this is super hard, you know, they've put in all this work. You have to make sure you be really, really vague and you kind of keep your cool. All you need to do is to create an Upwork account, post a job. You can be anywhere in the world. You can have no internet connection. You can have no hands. It does not matter. You can earn billions with this method. In fact, the best part about all of this is you can charge your own hourly rate. So you can charge $50 an hour, you can charge $100 an hour, you can charge $800 an hour, however much you want to earn, you can charge. People will pay and you will earn money by doing absolutely nothing. And soon you'll have PayPal screenshots like this and this, and you'll earn an absolute fortune by sitting back doing nothing. Gosh, I can't believe how real people actually make it sound. I'm starting to believe it myself. Right, moving on. Okay, enough. Do you get the point of what I'm trying to say in this video? Well, I made this video to bring as many people back to reality and to realize that these get-rich-quick scheme videos on YouTube are in fact schemes. They do not work. You will not make $500 from doing absolutely nothing whilst you're sleeping on a beach in Barbados, sipping mojitos. My God, where is my brain going? But basically, I want to just bring everyone back to reality and understand if you want to make money, either online or offline, it's going to take hard work, dedication, hustle, and a long time. It's not going to happen overnight. So don't let that make you give up. Don't let that deter you from wanting to start, okay? And don't waste your time watching all of these videos that say $1,000 in a day, $1,000 in a minute, because you know it does not work and you're just trying to find a shortcut to make quick cash. But there isn't a shortcut to make quick cash. The only shortcut I can think of is to win the lottery. And what are the chances of that happening? Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever been suckered into watching one of these videos. And don't worry, there is no shame in it. As I have shown you in this video, they are professionally made to mess with your brain and get you absolutely hooked, wanting to watch more of these videos. If someone is saying you can make a certain amount of money in a certain amount of time, they need to back it up with proof and they need to back it up with experience. If someone is saying you can make $1,000 a day typing, they need to tell you how long it took them to get to $1,000 a day, because they probably started with $10 a day and $20 and $30. Maybe they got to $100 a day after like 6 months and eventually they got to that $1,000 a day. That is what they need to tell you, because that's so important for people to realize that get rich quick schemes are not real. So being transparent on how long the process took is one of the most important parts of the video. And if someone is telling you how long it took them, right, then that's absolutely fine, and hats off to those people because they are doing it ethically. Thank you so much for watching. I really wanted to get this message out. I've been planning this video for ages. I'm just happy I finally shot it. If you like this video, then check out this other video. This video is how you can make money on Fiverr at a normal speed, not whilst you're sleeping. It will take you some work, you know, it's an actual thing that you're gonna have to do, but it's a great side hustle. So go check that out if you wanna learn how you can make actual real money online.